Every process begins at the source, where timing decides quality. Harvesting is precise, protecting texture before transformation. Only uniform fruit continues beyond the field. From soil to system, movement begins.
Stability protects freshness in transit.
The journey to processing begins immediately.
Speed matters, but care matters more.
Raw harvest meets industrial discipline.
Every kilogram is logged before entry.
Inside these walls, raw fruit becomes precision food. The factory receives nature with measured control.
Gravity starts the first transformation. Human judgment still guards quality. Uniform flow prepares them for cleaning. Surface impurities are stripped away.
Cleanliness is controlled, not rushed.
Final cleaning. Final cleaning prepares the surface. Consistency begins before cutting. Preparation defines final texture. Now, structure gives way to precision. Thickness is engineered before heat is applied. Even spacing ensures even cooking. Chemistry quietly protects color. Moisture control defines crispness.
Human eyes still guide machines.
Heat is calibrated, never guessed.
This is where texture is born.
Reaction begins in seconds. Time and temperature work together.
The first transformation is complete. Excess oil is removed with controlled motion.
Physics completes what heat begins. Cooling locks the structure in place.
Temperature stabilizes texture.
Flavor is introduced with precision. Consistency is measured, not guessed. Human oversight protects uniformity. Time allows flavor to bind. Machines verify what eyes cannot.
Now, refinement replaces transformation. Flow is divided without losing control.
Every gram is calculated.
Safety is verified silently.
Human care remains essential.
Stability ensures shelf life. Everything now moves in sequence.
Protection is prepared before filling.
Vérification précède volume.
The product takes its final form. Every batch is tested, not trusted blindly.
A strong seal protects freshness.
Accuracy is measured in grams.
Balance defines quality.
Moisture decides shelf life.
Crispness is engineered.
Human senses confirm the science.
Only approved batches move forward.
Quality clears the path.
The journey nears its end. Protection extends beyond the packet.
Retail units become shipping units.
Identity is sealed into every box.
Order replaces motion.
Stability protects distance.
Finished goods wait under control.
Logistics completes the plan.
Distribution begins here. And this is how modern factories produce banana chips from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.